Hi, I'm Matt McCarty, and I'm here to walk you through the simple and professional installation of 5G business internet. It's a new kind of business internet using 5G ultra-wideband. Our experts handle the installation so you can get our fastest speeds without disrupting your business. To ensure you're fully prepared for the installation, you'll need to complete a few simple steps in advance of our visit. Step 1. Check service availability for your address by visiting verizon.com/5G business internet and clicking the Check Availability button at the top of the page. Step 2. Obtain permission to install the receiver from the building manager or supervisor. And just a brief reminder that depending on the building, there are alternate options for roof placement and installation. Be sure to discuss all options with your technician. Now let's head up on the roof of the building where our 5G business project manager, Moise Baudry, is waiting for us to start the install. All right, Moise, you got me up here on the roof.
Hey, Matt.
What's this thing?
So this is our 5G business internet receiver. What we're doing here is running a speed test to determine the best location and position in which to mount this receiver to maximize performance. Once we do that, we'll move forward with the install. Now, the receiver has two cables running out of it. What you see here is the ground wire cable, which helps to secure power in cases of lightning strikes or any type of power surges. And then you also have an Ethernet cable, which is providing both power as well as data connectivity to the receiver.
So why would somebody want to choose something like this over, say, a typical broadband installation?
That's a great question. Utilizing the 5G business internet service, there is no last mile concerns that you would have in a typical broadband type of an install, where if there is no cable currently running to your business or your facility, there would need to be construction, which could take time and money to complete.
Okay, well, so these are all running down inside?
That's right, yep.
All right, sweet. Let's go downstairs and check it out.
Let's go check it out.
So this is where our cables are coming in from the roof, right?
Yep, that's right. So the conduit that you see up here is the same conduit where we dropped the ground and Ethernet cable from the receiver upstairs. Those are being brought down here to the ground block, where we have a ground cable running into our ground source, and then the Ethernet cable being brought into our power over Ethernet switch, where we have a second cable running into our router.
Well, that about covers the 5G BI installation. We walked through the entire system start to finish, learning how easy it is to get the power of 5G ultra-wideband installed. If you're ready to learn more about how you can get started with 5G BI, contact your Verizon rep today.